So they're going to tell us, what is the solution? They give you an equation, 0 equals 1 over 3 x squared minus 3. All right, so again, we're talking about how do we visualize this? How do we see a picture of this? And what we want to say is that all of this here is going to be on your calculator. Okay? Because we don't need to be responsible for this. We just need to be able to use the technology. Okay. So, let's go back. Oh, yo guys, so this is the glacier melting. This is 33 in blue. 33 in blue. 35 in red. See the difference here. Blue está linear. Red no está linear. Okay? So that's what we were looking for, 33 and 35. Back on number 34. Go on over to y equals again and just kind of clear everything out. You don't need any of that stuff anymore. Okay? Yeah. So go back to y equals. And, yep. And then put in your new equation, which was 1 over 3. It's the one that they gave us. Okay. This is the number 0. Yeah. All right. 1 over 3. X raised to the power of 2. And then minus 3. Edwin. All right, when you're all said and done, guys, push the graph button. Let's actually look at what this selfie should look like. We're going to draw our little selfie here. Yeah, so all you want to do is go back in and reset your window. Okay? Yeah. Negativo 10. 10. 1. Negativo 10. 10. 1. En ventana. The second one in says window, and that's what you're going to mess with. You're going to fix the window settings where it says negative 10, positive 10, negative 10, positive 10. Okay? Now, go back to graph, and you'll be able to see a little whoop.
No sé. A mí no. Obvio. ¿Le borraste lo que era?
Okay. Which one? Yeah. Oh. Ok, ¿dónde están mis soluciones? ¿Dónde están? No hay matemáticas aquí. ¿Dónde está? Mira. En su gráfica, ¿dónde están mis soluciones? Where are my solutions? Where are they? Where there's no math required. Don't do any math. Just look at the graph. Where are the two answers that you're looking for? Negativo 3. Muy bien. Aquí en mi x-intercept. Arnaldo, las respuestas están aquí en x-intercepts. X-intercepts. ¿Ok? So, la pregunta dice, ¿qué es su solución? No problema. Voy a ver, segundo tablet. Están aquí. Cuando x igual 0, y igual 3 y negativo 3 y positivo 3. Muy bien. Ya. Solución 1, solución 2. We did? All right, so were we able to get through that? We know that our solutions happened when we cross the axis. When we cross the axis, yeah. And that's what we were looking at here in our notes from the last time before we left. We know that our geometric stuff's like, it's going to be a different curve, right? You can go back real quick.
Okay.
Yeah, you see where it says that I have 0, -3? And then I have 0, +3? Oh, there we go. Yeah, that one. You're right. So you want me to do -3, 0. I think I understand what you're saying. I think what I'm hearing is that you want me to do -3, 0. Why is that important? Okay. And my solution is where the x-axis is, right? All right, so tell me again, why are we changing these numbers? Yep. Go back to your graph. Where are the solutions? Okay, but when you say -3, are you talking about x or y? You're talking about x. So tell me again, why did you want to switch the numbers? Jennifer, Edwin, do we need to skip the review and go straight to the test? It's totally fine if you don't want to review, but you cannot sync other students while they're trying to learn. Especially now. We have like 3 days before we need to take this test. So stop doing that. You gotta have more than 3 seconds of focus. Stay with me. Stay with me. Why did you change these numbers? Why are they supposed to be on the x side? Because the solution. Yes, that's why. You have to have a number on the x side because your solution is on which axis? Okay. Me getting you to say the right answers in the right way is just me trying to help you learn. You did exactly the right things. Does that make sense? Okay. You did exactly the right thing. The x number has to come first because this is an x-intercept, not a y-intercept. Good call. These are all x-intercepts. So that's why we have a number in x, and we have a 0 in the y side. Yeah. Juan Carlos Huerta. I don't know you. I don't know you, Juan Carlos. I don't know you like that. All right. 30, so 34, that takes care. This is another quadratic. 34 is another quadratic. And we get quadratics when we multiply 2 lines together. That's how we get the U-shaped. So this one is y equals x. This one is y equals x. And so this one will be y equals x squared. Because x times x, x por x está x elevado a 2. Okay. Cool. Okay. I'll hang out here for a second then. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, that's multiply. Multiplication. Yeah, so while we're finishing up our notes, we can start on number 36 now. Okay. 35 está completo.
34.
Sí. 35 está completo. ¿Sí? Ok. I'll take it. That's fine. All right, 36. It says, write the equation. Again, we're going to do this again. Write the equation. Of the line. That's a key word. Of the line. That is. That passes through negative 2, 7 with a slope of 0. With a slope of 0. So as always, we know our equation, right? We know that it is y minus something equals m times, x minus something. And we just need to kind of take all of these pieces here and put them where they're supposed to go. All right, y'all. Mr. Edwin, what would my equation have to be here? Y menos 7. Ajá. Son negativos de aquí. So, y otra vez negativo 2. Muy bien. All right. Negativo está aquí. Y x igual negativo 2. So, negativo, negativo. Arnaldo, ¿qué es el negativo, negativo? Positivo, ok. Cambio este negativo a positivo. Aquí. All right, bud. So, we have y minus 7 equals 0 times x plus 2. ¿Qué significa ese 0 aquí? Irvin, ¿qué significa ese 0? 0 por x. ¿Qué es eso? No. Si x igual 2, ¿qué es 0 por 2? 0. Okay. So, 0 por x está 0. Porque x está igual a 2, 3, 4 por 0 está 0. ¿Ok? Irvin, 0 por 2. 0 por 2. No hay una pregunta aquí, es uno por cada lado. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. ¿Sí? So, 0 aquí y 0 aquí, ¿no? So, Irvin, en este lado igual que 0. No sé. Irvin. Ok. Si x igual 2. ¿Sí? ¿Qué es 0 por 2? 0. Ok. 0 por 2 también. ¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué es 0 más 0? Ok. So, Irvin, este lado es what? Negativo 0. Muy bien. Positivo 0. Es 0. Solamente 0. ¿Ok? So, 0 igual y menos 7. Resuelve esta ecuación por y. Jennifer, resuelve esta ecuación por y, por favor. ¿Qué es primero? Resuelve esta ecuación por y. La respuesta dice y igual a un número. So, tenemos y negativo 7 igual y 0. So, primero.
Negativo 0.
No. Positivo 7. Positivo 7 no pasaba.
Oh, sí, es negativo. Es negativo el que está ahí.
¿Ah?
Positivo 7.
Ok. Y luego, este lado,
Igual 0.
positivo 7.
Oh.
Porque son iguales.
Oh.
Son iguales. So, si pones positivo 7 aquí, como positivo 7 aquí. Ok, y igual. ¿Qué es la respuesta?
7.
9. Y igual a 7.
Bueno.
No, not today. So here's the question. It says, this is the equation. It passes through -2 and 7 on Aldo. And it also has a slope of 0. That's right here, slope of 0. So then we'd have to say, is it x or y? Yeah, it's right here. Good. Yeah, we choose J on this one. It says y equals. We okay with that? That's okay? Okay. All right, let's do 37. I know these are starting to go really fast now because we have enough of the STAAR test reviewed that we can just kind of look at it and know the answers. That's what we're trying to get to with all the classes. You guys are doing great. We got time for that. All right, 37, yeah. 37. All right, so they're going to give you a graph and an equation. They're going to say y mayor que o igual 1 sobre 3x más 4. All right, guys, you have a couple of options. Opciones. Opción 1, lápiz y papel. Opción 2, calculadora. Decidir, por favor. ¿Está bien? Muy bien. Ok, calculadora. Está bien. Go. Arnaldo, por favor. Abra su cuaderno. Recuerde sus notas con lápiz, por favor. Yeah, we go to y equals. Okay, clear. Okay, miren aquí. La problema dice mayor que o igual. So, mayor que o igual. Sorry, guys. I'm working on it. There we go. Nobody touched anything. Okay, so 1 over 3, like that. Then put in your x. Then put in your plus 4. Now go to graph. That's better, right? Okay. Cool. But we don't really care about this because we need to take this graph and we need to put it on here. So we actually don't care about the picture. What we care about is the table. Okay. So come on over here to your table. And then you see these whole numbers right here? 0, 4. That's a good one. Write that one down in your chart. So put on, I see 0 and 4. That's a good one. Put on 3 and 5. That's another good one. Uno más. 6 y 6. 9. 7. Muy bien. Okay. Claro. All right, guys. So now we take our points over to our graph. They want us to write a quick graph. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so make your graph real quick. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's put our coordinate points on there. First one is going to be 0, 4. 0, 4 is right here. Now let's do 3, 5. Coming up 3. Coming up 5. Now we'll do 6 and 6. All right, 6 and 6 is going to be here. All right. So I'm going to put my calculator down, draw my straight line on there so I have all 3 points. All right, Mr. Abel, my equation has this symbol, which means greater than or equal to. So should I be shading numbers that are bigger than 4 or smaller than 4? Okay, so this right here means greater than or equal to, right? So should I be shading numbers that are bigger than 4 or smaller? Bigger than 4, very good. So let's shade up. Porque dice mayor que o igual. Mayor que 4. ¿Qué es mayor? 5, 7, 8. So, color, color, color. En 5, en 7, 8, 9, infinito. All the way. Good. Tenemos 4 opciones. Opciones A, B, la C y D. Ok. A dice negativo 6 y 1. B dice negativo 1 y 6. C dice 6 y negativo 1. D dice 1 y negativo 6. All right. So what we were just talking about is that now we have our graph and it's colored the right way. They're going to give us 4 options. ¿Qué opción? ¿Cuál opción es una solución? Soluciones están aquí. Yeah, let's go there. 6, negativo 1. Aquí es 6 y aquí es negativo 1. No es una solución, ¿no? Ok, no es la C. Muy bien. Ok. B, la B. Ok. Negativo 1 y 6. Ok, negativo 1 está aquí, 6 está aquí. ¿Correcto? Muy bien. This is the right one. My point is right up here. That's why it has to be your right answer. Good job, guys. Muy bien. All right. So I guess I'm bringing a lot of candy tomorrow. I think I'm bringing a lot of candy tomorrow. Because this girl over here, she came back from lunch. She just said, so I'm going to just give you sugar next time. I'm like, more sugar. 38. 38. Oh, yeah, guys. We got 20 minutos. Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. 38 y break. 38 y break.
No.
Okay. What table is, and this one's to you, bud. What table is not a function? Yeah, so I'm going to copy those down. All right, so we have A, B, la C, y D. A, B, C, and D. You got X and Y's, okay? Cool? We doing all right? All right, so we're going to do 1 over 10, 1 over 8, 1 over 5, 1 over 4, 1 over 2. Next one's real easy, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 100. 100. Nope. Perdón. And then 90. All right, last two, also pretty quick. 0.2, 0.6, 1.3, 1.0, negative 0.2, 5.8. Whew, that was a lot. Okay. It's, yeah, 5.8. All right, functions. Couple of different functions that we already know about. We know linear functions. Linear functions, they say y equals x. You know, y menos esta cosa igual m por x menos esta cosa. Linear. We also have other functions. We know quadratics. Quadratics, that's easy. Y equals x squared. We were just looking at those. Those are the curves. Yeah? We learned some new exponential functions too. We got some exponentials here. Exponential. We already know that. That's y equals esta cosa por esta cosa elevado x. We've already been using that a lot. And this is for percent gross. Yeah. All right, so those three big major functions we already know about. Uno, y dos, y tres. Solamente tres. So which one of these is not a function? What do you think, bud? Why? Good man. All you gotta do is look through your x's. We come here to your x, negativo punto dos y negativo punto dos. Falta, falta, falta. Muy mal. Porque x se repiten. Cuando se repiten, no hay una función. No es una función. So, la respuesta es la C, porque x se repiten aquí. Muy, muy mal. No es una función. So you can just look across your x's here. 1 sobre 10, 1 sobre 8, sobre 5, sobre 4, sobre 2. Son diferentes aquí. Negativo 24, positivo 24. Son diferentes. Son diferentes. ¿Ya? Eso lo sé. All right, guys. So let's write our rule and take a break. It is not a function if, and then subject, what was your key point? It's not a function if what? If x repeats, okay? If x repeats. Good. Cool. Big, major key point for today. And again, if you don't have that kind of stuff, like written down here, that would be a perfect thing to like write in here as one of your final points. Like, hey, we now know it's not a function if the x ever repeats. To write something like that down here into your key point so that you don't have to worry about it at the end of class when we're stressed. If you've already got your stuff written down, like Irvin and Kevin over here, then take your break. Take your break just as soon as you've updated your learning log, your chart. Uh-oh.
Eso mucho que me puede comenzar conmigo. Eso es lo que no me gusta, pero en serio me empieza a comer. ¿Igual? Vamos, de niña,
All right, guys. All right, come back together. And we're going to talk through number 39 and 40. That should be the only things that we really have time to get through to finish us out today. You guys have done an amazing job. I know we're in the last 10 minutes. And just like your STAAR test, you're going to have to give it. You're going to have to give it your all. Okay? So We've got last 10 minutes now. Now's the time to take your cell phones, put those away. If you are taking a quick nap, now's the time to pick your head back up. Let's grab our pencils and let's put everything together so we can finish strong. Just like we're going to do on the STAAR test. All right, so all they're asking us to do here, is write the equation. And here's how, there's two things, right? We know that it can either be linear, it can be exponential, or it can be quadratic. We need to pick which one. It can be linear, exponential, or quadratic. Remember, a linear function, that's something like t-shirt sales. All right, por ejemplo. Exponential functions, we already know that. That's like cells, money. All of that is exponential. And then we also have quadratic. Your quadratic is going to be things like missile, ball, like a basketball, football, volleyball. Anything that's responsive to gravity. Anything that when you toss it up, it comes back down. Quadratics look different, right? You're going to start here, you toss it up into the air, and then it comes down. All right. So here's your example. They say a projectile is launched into the air from the ground. Write the equation. That's what they say. Okay, so think about it this way. Mr. Edwin, do you know projectile? De esta palabra. ¿Entiendes esta palabra? ¿Sí o no? Está bien enseñados. Ok, no, está bien. Está bien. Esta palabra dice projectile. 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 Another word for projectile. Cupido. Como Cupido. Sí. Sí, pero con fuego. Okay? So this is like a rocket. Hey, come back. Come back. Stop doing that. Stop. Come back. Like a rocket. Like NASA. Space. Yeah? Okay, space. So, it's a rocket. It's projectile. Okay. Launched. ¿Entiendes esta palabra? Launch. That's launch it. Not launch. Launch. Okay. Launch. Yeah. Launch. Okay. Launch. It sounds like 10, 9, 8, 7, 5. Right? And 3, 2, 1. Launch. Es cero. En cero. Es launch. Comienza. Launch. Okay. Projectile. Como rocket. Missile. Launch means go. Comienza. Into the air from the ground. Okay. So this rocket goes up, right? What happens to a rocket after it hits its peak? What happens? Right? Because you want to hit your target. So I'm going to shoot a missile into the air. Which one? Uno, dos, or tres? What?
Quadratic.
Okay. You see quadratic? What do you see? Do you see linear? Con este rocket, ¿es el lineal?
No.
No. Okay? Okay. Go. Tres. Okay? Go. So, take the table. Into that. Okay? Alright, going up here to stat. Stat is your first one. Okay? So stat, edit, L1 y copia. 5 bien. Okay. Bless you. Y este dice 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 24, 60.
3, 6, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4,
No. 3, 9, 4, 0.
3, 4,
Y 4.
3, 4.
Alright, so now we get to go back to stat, calculate, and edit, because now we need to actually figure out what the equation is. So now we go to stat, go to calculate, good, go to calculate, go over 1, and no. Because you just told me that this was not linear, and you just ran a linear function. Bad. It's fine. Quadratic. Muy bien. Quadratic. Quad. Yep. Copia. Las respuestas, ok. Y, A, B y la C, por favor. Copy that now, guys. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, sir. Thank you. Right.
Porque a mí nunca me vienen a llamar.
All right, but they want you to take all your things and then go to the attendance office and they'll pick you up. And then the rest of this will be on YouTube for you, because you definitely want to just watch it later, okay? All right, guys. So copy. Y igual a x elevado a 2 más b x más c. Y la a igual negativo 4.899. B igual 294.96 y 2. Okay, la C. Girl, I already have my college degree. You should try to get yours. Let's do that. See? Oh, muy bien, gracias. 0, 5, 7 y 1. Arnaldo, copia aquí.
9, 6, 1.
Sí. 9, 6, 1. ¿Qué? 9. Este 9 dice 2. We call that rounding. That's rounding. All right. So now we're going to take A, B, and C, and we're going to substitute them into your equation for the final answer. That's all we got to do. Okay? It's just copia, copia, copia. That's all we need to do for our final answer. So y equals A is right here, and it's -4. Y copia. All right, más. Y la B es 294.9. X. Armando, you already know this. We're not doing any math right now. We're just copying down stuff. Go, go, go. Is it okay? All right, so we have the A, we have the B, and we have the C. C is 0.571. Everybody good? Okay, so, ¿qué es la respuesta? Oh, moment. What's the answer? Look at your equations. Is it A, B, C, or D?
B. B. No.
¿Por qué no? No, don't put up. Oh, no. Don't put up. ¿Por qué? Okay, look at the last number. The last number says 2, right? What was your last number? What was your C? Look again in your notes. What is C? Do it. 0.57. Is 0.57 closer to 0.6 or 2? 0.6. Yeah, so it's not bad. Thanks, guys. Have a great one. We'll see you later.